Hi guys, today we will program a new model for the Flywing Helis. So switch your radio on, press and hold the unlock key. I'm going to just show you quickly that I have some models ready to go. So this is my Bell 206. I just named the GPS mode to the model name because there's no model naming available here. But I know that this is GPS because the radio starts off in that position. So let's make a new model. I'm going to go to model 6 or 5, the last one. I'm going to reset it completely, so it's brand new. So you will note that the fly mode is off, nothing happens. So let's assign the switches. So a new model, you'll go to function, you'll go to auxiliary channels, switch C is going to be your flight mode, is already assigned to here. We just need to add the values in. Channel 6 is not used. Oh, come on. Channel 7 is your switch A. That'll be your motor start stop, is already assigned. Switch B is your normal 0 and 8 fly, is already assigned. Switch D will be your normal and invert and is already assigned to channel 9. So you don't have to do anything there. So we only have to, the only thing we need to do is set the channel 5 to your different flight modes. So we go to the main menu, we hit flight mode, we select the channel 5 and switch C, ABC. Now you'll see you've got 3 modes here. So 1500 is GPS. 1500 is basically, the switch position is basically in the middle. What I mean by that, if we go here, I'm talking about this position here. That's 1500. So channel 5 is in the middle, 1500. So we'll call this GPS. GPS. Fantastic. Flight mode 2, you can make ATI, 3D or manual, depending what you want. So let's name that ATI. And give that a value of 1400. Fantastic. So now we have GPS, ATI. We need return to home. So that's this one here. Let's name it. RTH. And give that a value of 2000. Fantastic. So GPS, ATI, return to home. Invert, that you can either use or not use, your fly modes, and your run. So let's check them here. Channel 5, GPS, ATI, return to home. Channel 6 not used. Assigned, assigned, and assigned. So let's check that on the software. So let's check. We've got our radio on, we have our Heli on, we're connected to the PC. Let's check channel 5. is our flight modes. That's this one here. Okay, fantastic. We have our run switch, channel 7 is working. We have our channel 8, which was here, our routes, and we have channel 9, here, which I've just switched on, off. So that's all working. I would not recommend that. Of course, you're going to do a stick calibration. So you're going to press that, run all your axes, and you're going to do the same on the radio. And that we do that here. You press system, sticks adjust, and you move all the sticks and pots and switches in all the directions. So you do that when you make the new model, and you do it again over here, and then all these values should be identical. And there you have it, guys. As easy as that.